Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Haven't been feeling real good lately, but I have another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be removing the factory intake, and we're going to be throwing on a CTS Turbo cold air intake on the old Audi. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. First things first, let's go ahead and open up the box. Looks like we got stuff like a couple of brackets. It's just a cone style filter. Your pipes and clamps and all that good stuff. Gonna have that. Big old, pretty much like the dividers to keep all the heat away from it. So we've got those as well. So let's go ahead and start putting some of this stuff on the car. Alright, so you all saw what the car sounded like with the intake. Sorry I sound so sick. Got new oil pump in, so we're going to put that in here. It's going to be a little while before I do that. I want to go ahead and show you guys a cold start and what the car sounds like now, even in the car. So, on a cold start, it really doesn't have a whole ton of turbo noise, which is perfectly fine. That's kind of what I like. I want it to be kind of low key, and then whenever you get on it, you hear it. All right, I'll go ahead and give you guys a couple of revs inside. So you can hear it pretty well inside. So let's go drive around a little bit and see what it's like driving. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull onto the road. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it in the car or not. It's kind of whistly, which is, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I like the way it sounds, and then other times I'm like kind of an ear ache to listen to, but we'll see. I think it's gonna grow on me. I mean, it definitely sounds great from the outside. It's just the driving perspective. It's kind of strange compared to any other turbo car I've ever driven with the intake on it. But overall, I like it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm sure I'll have some more stuff coming up soon. So see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.